In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use custom dates in ClickUp Calendar view, so you can plan and visualize tasks beyond just start and due dates. This is extremely useful for tracking launch dates, review deadlines, content publish dates, or any custom timeline your workflow needs. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials and productivity tips. All right, let's jump in. First, log into your ClickUp account and navigate to the space, folder, or list where your tasks are located. Custom dates work at the list level and above, so make sure you're in the right place. Once your list is open, click on the calendar view. If you don't already have a calendar view, you can create one, but for this example, we'll assume it's already available. Next, look to the top right corner of the calendar view and click on Customize. This opens all the settings that control how your calendar behaves and what information is displayed. Inside the Customize menu, click on Task Dates. By default, ClickUp calendars usually show tasks based on start date or due date, but this is where you can change that. Now, click on Add Custom Field. From the field types, choose Date, and then select the custom date field you want to use or create a new one if you haven't already. This could be something like Publish Date, Review Date, or Client Deadline. Once selected, ClickUp will immediately update the calendar view to display tasks based on that custom date field instead of the default task dates. You can switch between different date fields anytime, depending on how you want to plan your work. This gives you much more flexibility and turns the calendar view into a powerful planning tool tailored exactly to your workflow. And that's it. You now know how to use custom dates in ClickUp Calendar view to better manage timelines and stay organized. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy ClickUp guides.